And here they are, my brand new TikTok followers. This looks amazing. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok really fast. Reaching that first milestone signals the algorithm that your account is worth promoting, which means more visibility for your videos. It also unlocks the live feature, helping you grow faster and engage directly with your audience. So now, I'll walk you through a simple and quick method to do this. Make sure you stick around until the end. Let's get started. The great thing is, this method works on any device, whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or even a PC. So, what's the process to grow your TikTok followers? First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon. Then, go to the top right corner and open the menu. From there, head into Settings and Privacy, and ensure your account is set to public. This step is crucial. Followers won't be delivered if your account is private. Once that's done, I open Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer, and go to Pandalizer.com. This platform has always worked well for me. I've used it multiple times without issues. I also tried a few other websites, but this one was the only one that actually delivered as expected. So yes, this is the one I recommend, and this is how it looks. If you haven't signed up yet, let's quickly do that together. It's very easy. Click on Sign Up, choose a username, and enter a valid email address. Make sure it's one you can access. Then create a password, confirm it, check the I'm not a robot box, and click Sign Up again. That's it, your account is ready. Now let me show you how to place an order. Go to New Order and select the TikTok followers category. The top two services are the best options. One starts from 100 followers and the other from 10. Both perform really well. Next, we need your profile link. So I go back to the TikTok app, tap Share Profile, and copy the URL. Then I return to the site and paste it into the required field. In the quantity section, I enter 1,000. Done. The order is accepted instantly. And just like that, it's complete. If you want more followers, you can repeat the same process, just make sure your previous order has been delivered first. Also, if you're adding balance through Adonis, don't forget to check for any available bonuses. Alright guys, some time has passed, let's check the results. And here they are, my new TikTok followers. This looks incredible. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know in the comments how helpful you found it, and I'll catch you in the next one.